Hello everyone. This video introduces Makerbase new product MKS TinyBee motherboard. MKS TinyBee is a 3D printer main control board with ESP32 Wi-Fi on board. It can be connected to the network through Wi-Fi function and then enter the web page to control the 3D printer. The motherboard supports Marlin 2.0 firmware, which can be upgraded via USB. It also supports LCD screen and TFT serial screen. The motherboard uses the ESP32 WIOOM32U module, which embeds a dual-core 32-bit high-speed MCU with a clock up to 240 MHz. And integrated Wi-Fi Bluetooth module. The performance is very powerful. In addition, the module has a built-in 8 million byte flash memory chip, which provides effective protection for more application scenarios. The PCB adopts the immersion gold process, so that the motherboard has good oxidation resistance, longer service life and beautiful appearance. MKS TinyBee not only supports the traditional LCD 12864 screen, but also reserves the USART2 serial port for the TFT screen. MKS TinyBee uses dip switches to set the subdivision, eliminating the use of jumper caps to set the subdivision complex operation. It is more intuitive and convenient to use. The motherboard is equipped with a TV's power supply anti-reverse and spike protection chip, which more effectively prevents the motherboard from being burned due to a short circuit. Sometimes we don't pay attention to the positive and negative poles of the motherboard's power interface, causing the wiring to be reversed. Let's simulate the situation where the positive and negative poles of the power supply are reversed. The current state is that the positive and negative connections of the power supply and the motherboard are correct. Next, we connect the positive and negative poles of the power supply in reverse. Because the positive and negative poles of the power supply are connected incorrectly, the motherboard will not work when the power is on. But the motherboard is equipped with TV's power supply anti-reverse and spike protection chips. We don't have to worry about the motherboard being short-circuited and burned. So when you connect the motherboard to the power supply, the motherboard does not work. First, check whether the power supply wiring is reversed. If it is found that the wiring is reversed, just connect the power supply to the motherboard correctly and it will work normally. We also designed a protection circuit for the back electromotive force generated by the stepper motor, which greatly reduces the damage to the motor driver. Next, perform a back EMF test. Pull the hotbed quickly by hand, and the motor will generate back EMF. When the printer is powered on again, each motor can operate normally. The motherboard's MOS drive circuit and stop input and temperature measurement circuit are all protected by Schottky diodes to reduce the damage of external spikes to I/O. This is the anti-static test of the motherboard. We put 4 kV static electricity on the motherboard. The motherboard can also work normally, thanks to the protection of Schottky diodes. MKS TinyBee can control the 3D printer by connecting the PC to the Wi-Fi of the motherboard. After the connection is successful, open the browser. The browser will automatically pop up a page. Then we upload the web file that controls the printer. After the upload is successful, click Go to ESP3D interface to connect to the printer. Then you can control the printer through the web page.